So this is what happens when you feed Peckerwood Seagulls.
Check it out. Ready?
She's spoiling these birds.
I like the one with the black head.
These fun-feathered Peckerwoods. They think they're in the cafeteria or something.
What are you doing over there? That one with the head down.
Leave the other birds alone, Peckerwood. No? Fucking flying pups. Oh, look at this one all by himself. Hey, what's that about? He's like all discouraged and shit. The one with the black head that you like is right next to you. Bah! Look at these hungry birds with their mouths open. I know the wind noise in the microphone has to be driving people crazy by now. That was cool. How many birds do we have? 14 birds, Reggie. And it started with how many? One. One! 15! Holy shit, he's flying backwards. 15 seagulls! Oh, shit.
That one's huge. Look at him.
That's not a seagull, that's a pelican. I think we're up to 17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. right. 17 birds.
These 17 seagulls will probably taste really good now that they've eaten people food.
Holy shit. See that one's tongue?
What?
See that one. Tongue's out.
That one is huge. What the fuck? That's like freakishly huge.
Why do they stand around with their mouths open?
Because they're waiting to be fed.
How's your sandwich?
Delicious. I ate it. Instead of these 17 freaky, creepy birds. Strange white people. I'm gonna eat my sandwich.
Maybe that's how they cool off. Like their version of panting.
Oh, I doubt it. I never see them do that when they don't think there's gonna be food.